Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is instance methods in string. So let's get started. Instance methods. So what are instance methods? Instance methods are functions that operate on a specific string object and are called using that object's name followed by a dot. For example, my string dot ToUpper. So today we will discuss about these instance methods, ToUpper and ToLower, trim, trim start and trim end, substring, replace and splits. So let's flip to the Visual Studio. Okay, so let's run it and we'll discuss both at the same time. Yeah, now here you can see this one is the original message, right? Hello world, welcome to CSharp programming. And while printing I have also I have put this string in a single quote, right? So we can see the complete string here, and in this original message you can see it starts with the spaces and also ends with the spaces, right? Now let's look at the first one, ToUpper and ToLower. So here if you write message.ToUpper, it means all the characters, right? You can see are in uppercase. Hello world, welcome to C# programming. All the characters are in uppercase. Similarly, we have ToLower, so it gives you all the characters in lower cases, right? And then we have next one is trim, trim start and trim end. Now what does it mean? Trim means it removes the white spaces from the beginning and end of the string. Now you can see in the original message we have these spaces, so in trim it removes, right? And similarly we have trim start, right? So in this trim start we have, or you can say like it removes white spaces from beginning of the string, but it keeps the end of the spaces here. But in trim end it removes from the end but it keeps from the beginning, right? So in this way we can understand like what exactly the meaning of trimming. Now we have next one is the substring, and in substring you can see you can get a substring and it starts with the index. So this is the start index and how many characters you want, right? So within this message or in original message, when you write it start with 7 and takes next 13, it means it will take world and then value, right? So this one world, this one starts from 7 and next 13 characters, so value, right, till this co, correct? So this is the substring. And replace, now next one is replace. So it replaces the C# with C#. Now you can see here like hello world, welcome to C# programming, right? In place of C#, now we have C#. So that is the replace. So you can replace the string. And then we have next one that is the split. So here in this split method, the first parameter is the separator, right? And in this separator you can think like you can give any separator here. So this is basically a character array, right? So you can provide like comma or maybe colon, whatever you want. So I have given here as a space, so I want to split this string based on this space, right? So here I have multiple strings, or you can say the substrings, right? Like hello, comma and then space, world, exclamation marks, and then spaces, welcome, spaces, to, spaces, C#, spaces, right? So when I split this string based on this spaces, then it gives me the list of words and I can print it here. So you can see I have taken one loop and then I am printing it one by one. I hope you understood this concept, like how to call the instance method, and these methods are very important and normally people use in software development when and then. And we have few more instance methods that I will be discussing in our upcoming videos. So if you enjoy this video, then please like it and also share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. Yeah, so that's it for today and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.